Sun in Taurus, in the seventh house, the cosmic blueprint. If your sun is in Taurus in the seventh house, your identity is deeply tied to the bonds you build with others. The sun represents your core identity. Taurus is the sign of enduring value and loyalty, and the seventh house is the sacred realm of committed partnerships and one-on-one connections. When these energies merge, your life purpose becomes centered around your commitments. You aren't here to navigate life alone or bounce between temporary connections. You are here to find your true self through the mirror of a partner, building a shared life founded on absolute trust, stability, and mutual worth. The hidden strengths. Your greatest superpower is your fierce, absolute loyalty as a partner. Because the seventh house governs your closest bonds, your Taurus drive makes you an unshakable rock for the person you love. You possess a rare, instinctual patience that allows you to work through relationship storms instead of running away when things get tough. You don't do drama or games. You offer a calm, grounded, and comforting presence. You have a natural talent for creating harmonious, secure business and romantic relationships, making you the ultimate ally that anyone would be lucky to have in their corner. The shadow and cosmic lessons, but a desire for a secure relationship can easily morph into a paralyzing fear of being alone. Your biggest challenge is extreme possessiveness and staying in expired partnerships simply for the sake of comfort. Because you hate unpredictability, you might overlook massive red flags or endure a stagnant, unhappy relationship just to avoid the disruption of a breakup. You can also treat your partner like a prized possession, becoming stubborn and uncompromising when your relationship routine is challenged. Your cosmic lesson is to realize that true security lives inside you. You must learn that a healthy relationship requires room to grow and change, not rigid control. Ultimately, you are here to teach the world how to love with patience, honor, and unshakable devotion. If you want to dive deeper into the rest of your birth chart puzzle and discover how your planetary placements interact, make sure to hit that notification bell. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have your sun in Taurus in the seventh house. See you in the next breakdown.